Today I'm going to show you how to make bows for toppers, and we use these bows as toppers. The bow here, the fishtail, you can do it all in one. This is actually a double bow. I've actually brought this in. It needs repair. It's been handled a little roughly. But this bow here is what I'm going to show you how to make today. And let's get started. Now, my husband bought me a Cricut for Mother's Day. I'm a very lucky woman. So, before I got the Cricut, I used to do them by hand. And using the Cricut is so much quicker. To get these onto the Cricut, I had them first like this, and I just scanned it onto my computer into a JPEG file, uploaded it to Design Space for Cricut, and now I just print them out, a dozen at a time. So originally, as I was making these, it's 12 inches long, or 11 3/4 inches long by 1 1/4 inches wide. I'll show you how to do it with this one first, and then we will do it manually, how I used to make it beforehand. Alright, so first off, I've got to think now. It's been a while since I've had to do some. Normally when I do these, I do them 100 or so at a time, and I have been cutting out all afternoon, getting these ready to do tonight. We've got a big craft market this weekend. So, bend over the edges, so that just makes it easier to bend it over when we glue it. Now, you can use tacky glue. I'll do this one with tacky glue, mainly because my glue gun is still warming up. I've only just turned it on. So, dob of glue in the middle, bend it over, put glue all over your desk. No, that's just me, sorry. Okay, the tacky glue obviously does take a moment to go off. When it does, there you go. Is it going to stay? Yes, it is. And then you can put, I don't know what to call these thingies, a flat backed silver bit, silver thingy. That's what we'll call them, a silver thingy. There. So obviously the one I showed you earlier was a double bow. I'll show you how to do those also. This is a single bow with fishtails. Now, how I used to make these previously, when I was doing them manually, was originally with a punch. Then I got the envelope punch board, which made it a little bit easier. So I'll just grab, I should have had this out ready on. I never even thought of it. Sure, I still have some here that I haven't done. I have a great big box of scraps here. And I generally, as a rule, have a big wad of paper. And would you believe I can't find any of it? So I'll quickly cut us a piece. Use this one. Sorry about this, I should have looked for that earlier. So I'll just quickly cut us a piece of paper. So 1 1/4 inches. may as well cut a second one because I'm going to need a second one later. May as well do it while I've got it here. Alright. Oh, look, I've got a third one even. Just in case I make a mistake, which is possible for me. Okay, so originally how I used to make them before I was lucky enough to get a Cricut is you find the centre. Now this part here is the notch. This notch here is done by this. This end is just a corner rounder. So this is a Sunlit product. So yeah, this notch here does that divot. So you find the centre, put it in, punch, turn it over, put it in, punch. Now, as a rule, it's 2.5 inches from there. So I'm just going to, last time I did this, I made it way too small, so I'm going to guess, punch, and punch, same distance on the other side, punch, punch. There we go. Throw that over on my other desk where all the other rubbish is. So there you have it. Now, on this end, put it in there, and in there. That gives you your fish tail. That one's not quite centered, but close enough. Let's see if my glue gun is hot enough. Same as before. Nope, not yet. Does take a little bit to warm up. It's a cordless one. So more glue on the desk. Excuse me if I keep wandering out of shot. Would you believe that this is only the third video I've made? As a rule, I'm a really, really messy crafter. However, I am a bit of a control freak. Whoops, two there. There we go. Put that done. There's two less that I have to make tonight. I have approximately 104 things that I have to make these for tonight. Okay, so on the punch board, same thing. Find the centre. Punch. Punch. Now, lucky enough, 2.5 inches. Punch. Punch. Go back to centre. Is there 2.5 inches. Punch. And punch again. Now, to do a double bow, you've got this. All you do is, instead of doing the fishtail on the end, you put it halfway through, half notch, and whoops, overshot, another half notch. I'll do it on this one to show you that I can do it both on both of them. Half notch and half notch. Alright, get that over there out of the way. Now, to do it for a double bow. Please work. I promise you it does work. Back to the old glue. All right. Same as earlier. Meet in the middle. Another dab of glue. Fold that over. Get glue all over the desk again. And there you have double bow. Yep, you can see that. Wonderful. Just to be difficult, I'm going to put a pearl on this one. Flat back pearl. Bigger, bigger, bigger. One of those will do. There you go. Okay, so there's one made on the Cricut, one made with this, one made with the envelope punch board by We Are Memory Keepers. Now the envelope punch board I bought off Amazon. $23. Much cheaper buying it on Amazon than anywhere else. I was really surprised. I was sort of, half looking, but not really looking. But when I saw it that price, grabbed it. Now, this that I promise you does work. Just nearly there now. I bought this off eBay. Under $20. I'm thinking $15 to $17, and it came with 50 of the double size glue sticks, about that long. That long, maybe even longer. Yeah, it came with 50 free glue sticks. Takes 4 AA batteries. It prefers lithium batteries. Heats up a lot quicker with lithium batteries, but they're a bit expensive. I'm using Energizer Max. Yes, Energizer Max. Because they're not quite as good as the lithium, it does take a little bit longer to heat up. But the reason I got this is when we do go to the markets on the weekend, I take it with me with a spare set of batteries just in case, and I can sit there and craft, make bows, make anything, repair things. Taking things in transit in my car is things will need repairing from time to time. So this is great. Best buddy. Love it. Take it everywhere. Had to move over for my Cricut, but it's second in line for my best buddy. So yeah. eBay, wonderful. Cricut, wonderful. Love my husband for that. So there's the tutorial for the bows. If there's any questions, you can leave a comment and I will do my best to get back to you. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.